Park this car, young man. Probably park this car. You don't know this road. Park this car. Park this car. Park this car. Can you imagine? Driving in here. Come down. Come out of this car. You are driving in here. I want to see your papers of this car. Bring out all your papers now. Your driver's license. Stupid. Allocation of number plates. Proof of ownership. CMRO. What are the receipt of this car? The receipt of this car. What is the receipt of this car? Where is the blueprint of the car? The blueprint. Where is your birth certificate? Your birth certificate. Your proof of your blood group. Doctor's report on your blood group. If you are HIV negative or positive, because you cannot be driving cars anyhow when you don't know your health status. I want to see your health papers. Use your face cap. I want to see the receipt. Receipt of your car, your face cap. So you want to teach me my job, Abi? You want to teach me my job in this Lagos? You are telling me you have all the papers, Abi? Now, I want to see your ticket for Lords of the Ribs.
How do you know about Lords of the Ribs?
Why would I know about Lords of the Ribs? If you have the papers or your ticket for Lords of the Ribs, you are following me to the station. You are under arrest.
Where is Lords of the Ribs happening?
You are opening your eye.
Yes.
You are opening your eye.
Where is Lords of the Ribs happening?
In London, at the Indigo.
When?
On the 13th of February, 14th in Manchester. You are opening your eye. Yes. Ask another one.
What time? What time is 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock in the evening.
How much is the gate fee?
£35, £50 and £100. You are asking me, bring your ticket.
Who are the artists that will be paid?
I go die. Basketman, Bobby, Bucci, SIM card. You are asking me, Whiskey, Ice Cream. Bring your ticket. You are shining your eye. Yeah, okay. So now you have already to the station. Today you are sleeping in the police station.
So you want me to provide Lords of the Ribs?
Yes, because you cannot have all those papers and you don't have Lords of the Ribs ticket.
Lords of the Ribs tickets. Regular VIP.
So you have the ticket and you say you don't have the ticket. You are under arrest.
For what?
For stressing me.
Stressing
For stressing me. So you have the ticket and you don't tell me you have the ticket.
Officer.
You are under arrest.
Officer.
You are under arrest.
Officer.
Don't shine your hand at me.
Ticket.
I want to shine my hand. I want to shine your
Chocolate City, yeah.